Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm back with another tutorial on how to download KIK application on an Android device. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another upcoming update from us to download KIK application for your Android device. First, make sure that you are connected to an internet, turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data and open your Play Store. To begin, go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in KIK and Theurge. You'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. Tap on the app to view further information about it, its ratings and reviews. And if you want to download the application right away on your Android, you can tap on the install button in green. Your downloading process has been started. Wait until it does. And you should be able to operate the application right away. KIK is a free app that lets you easily communicate with all your friends and contacts. You can send them text messages, pictures, and much more. The application is available for both Android and iOS. Simply wait for the application to be downloaded on an Android. Soon after the application gets downloaded on an Android device, you should be able to see the open button popping up right next to it or right beneath it. Tap it on to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download KIK mobile application on an Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up at the back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.